Welcome to our guide on how to activate your Capital One debit card quickly and easily. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open your Capital One mobile app or website. First, you need to access your Capital One account. Open the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone or visit the Capital One website on your computer. Step 2. Log in to your account. Enter your username and password to log in to your Capital One account. If you haven't registered for online banking, you will need to create an account by following the prompts. Step 3. Locate your debit card activation option. In the mobile app or website, navigate to the Account Services section. You should see an option labeled Activate Debit Card or similar. Click on this to start the activation process. Step 4. Enter your debit card details. You will be asked to enter the 16-digit card number found on the front of your new debit card. Additionally, input the CVV number, 3-digit security code, located on the back of the card. Step 5. Confirm your identity. For security purposes, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This can be done by receiving a text message or an email with a verification code. Enter the code to proceed. Step 6. Complete activation. Once you've entered the correct details and verified your identity, you'll be notified that your Capital One debit card is now activated. You are ready to start using your card. Alternative method. Call Capital One. Customer service. If you prefer to activate your card over the phone, call the number provided with your card package. The Capital One representative will guide you through the activation process. Final step. Start using your card. Now that your card is activated, you can start using it for purchases, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals. Tips for keeping your Capital One debit card. Secure. Never share your PIN or card details with anyone. Always monitor your account for unauthorized transactions. If your card is lost or stolen, immediately report it to Capital One. That's it. You're all set to use your Capital One debit card. Stay tuned for more helpful financial tips.